Hi, this is Keith All, and today I'm going to show you how you can add an icon to a button element using the Cheetah Builder within Builderall. So first of all, let's add a button element. So I already have a panel here, so I'm going to click on Add, Elements, and let's just select the button element, and any one is fine. Oop, I need to select the panel first to do that. So make sure you select the panel and then click Add, Elements, and then Button. There we go. So in order to add an icon, so in other words, let's say I want to add a Facebook icon to this. So first, let's dress up this button. So the color, it's not important right now. Let's see the headline. Let's go to headline. This is how we change the headline, which is this register now. So I'm just going to say Facebook. And you can see that changed. You can change the font family to whatever that you want. So you could do that. Change the font size of the text. And you'll see why that's important in a second here. And then I'm going to show you the font size on mobile. So we're going to change that. The color is just basically the color of the text. And it will also change the color of the icon, as you can see in just a little bit. So here, again, under the headline settings for the button element, you'll see show icon list. So let's show icon. Let's just search for Facebook. Give it a second to load up and search for the results. There we go, and you can select any one of them. So I'm just going to select this, select that, and as you can see, put the icon on the right. So let's select the alignment. Let's do left, and then put it over there on the left hand side. So that is how you can add an icon to a button element within Builderall. But let's go a step further because I want you to see what happens on the mobile view. So let's select this, the mobile view. You can see that it is a lot smaller, this text. So if you want to increase the size of the text, you could do so that also on a desktop view, but you could also do it over here. So if you select the button element here and this font size for mobile, and as you can see, the font size for mobile is 27. The font size for the desktop is 21. So it's not going to change what you see on the desktop version. But let's go back here. And it didn't change the size on the desktop portion. So I just want to let you see how you can add some icons to your button elements within the Cheetah Builder using the Builderall platform. So hopefully this tip gave you some great ideas for building your website using the Builderall platform. Remember to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification. And the reason why you should do that is whenever I have a new video ready, you'll be notified when a new video is up for your viewing. And also, please like, share, and comment. I appreciate your support, and you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.